Off the coast of Marathopolis, just 2 nautical miles away, lies Proti Island, a small, uninhabited stretch of land that feels completely untouched. As you follow the trail of my trip, you will see a landscape without tourist facilities, only steep cliffs, dry brush, seabirds and falcons, and one of the clearest coastlines you'll ever encounter. Proti may be small, around 3 square kilometers, but its wild terrain and deep history make it anything but insignificant. Its shape from above has often been compared to a crocodile. That's the island as it looks like from Marathopolis. The eastern side hides Vourlia Beach, a white cove with soft golden sand and turquoise waters. This is the only sandy beach of the island, and it's where I also went in order to swim and snorkel. It's also here that you'll see, while snorkeling, the wreck of Anwar, a 40-meter merchant ship sunk by the Italians during World War II, mistaken for a military vessel. The island takes its name from the sea god Proteus, son of Poseidon. Proteus could see the future but hated to reveal it, changing shape constantly, like the sea itself, to avoid being caught and questioned. Here in Grammeno Bay you'll notice carvings on the stones. They're carved from sailors, soldiers or even pirates. Messages that once warned others of storms or left behind a mark for posterity. Local lore says that Saracen corsairs used the island as a hideout and stashed their loot here. Archaeological finds of the island, including remnants of a Mycenaean or pre-classical acropolis, prove that Proti was inhabited or at least used thousands of years ago. Thucydides mentions it as a temporary refuge for the Athenian fleet during a violent storm in the Peloponnesian Wars. Getting to Proti is simple enough with a boat from Marathopolis, and on calm days, experienced kayakers sometimes make the trip across. This is not a place you visit, it's a place you listen to. This place is called Cave of the Seal. And this is Vourlia Beach. And that's me chilling out on the beach. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more adventures.